Hi there everybody, this is Mr. Rich along with Tex. Hi there Mr. Rich. Today we're going to make our own game and it's called the Chase Game. So let's get started. In order to make the Chase Game, we are going to follow these activities right here. All these 7 activities are going to add up to a program which will create the Chase Game for us. And as always, if you'd like to make your own programs or projects, go to scratch.mit.edu. So, in order to get started on this project, we are needing a backdrop, which would be over here on this bottom right, and we are looking for a particular one that's called Galaxy. So that's probably going to be under Space. So let's click there, and there it is. So we click on Galaxy, and it's now our backdrop or stage. Okay, so the next thing we need is to go get a sprite, and we are looking for a particular sprite that's called Robot. See if you can help me find that, Tex. You were looking for Robot. There it is, Mr. Rich. Okay, there it is. Click on Robot, and now he's on the page. Let's click and drag him to the center of the screen. Okay, we've got that done. So now it's time to move our robot. He's going to move right, left, up, and down. We need particular blocks to do that. And we're looking for one under Events. And we're looking for when the space key is pressed. Bring that over. Okay. And right here where it says space, we click on that. And we're going to change this to right arrow. So whenever I press the right arrow, something's going to happen. And we are now looking for, under motion, we are looking for change X. That's right here. Bring this over. This is snapping in place. So if I press the right arrow right now on my keyboard, he starts to move to the right. 10. But if we keep doing that, he's just going to go off the screen. So we need something else to bring him back. And we are looking for now. Let me see. First we need to get an event. Come over here and go when the space key is pressed. Go and get that again. Change space to left arrow this time. And under motion, we're going to be looking for change X again. We drag that over into place and we change the number that's in this circle to -10. Okay, so let's see how this will work for us. Bring this up into place. Okay, so right now I'm pressing the left arrow key, moving left. Right arrow key, moving to the right. We're off to a great start. Okay, now we want them to go up and down. So this time we need to find the same event. Let's go get when space key is clicked. Okay, and change this to the up arrow. Okay, now for motion, instead of changing X, we're going to look for changing Y, because Y is the up and down dimension that we're looking for. So if I choose the up arrow key, it's going to change Y, and it'll be going up. See that? Great. Once again, under Events, come over here, find this when the space key is clicked, bring that into our workspace. Change this from space to the down arrow. And then under motion, you're looking for changing Y. That's right here. Bring it in place and snap it. So down is going to be negative 10. Okay, let's see if this is going to work by pressing the down arrow. Okay, I'm pressing the down arrow is going down. Pressing the up arrow key going up. Pressing to the right, and he's going right, and he's going left. So look, we've made this guy who can go all around the screen by using our arrow keys. We are off to a really good start on our game here. Okay, so we're doing okay on time. Let's see if we can add something here, which is called Chase a Star. So we need a sprite, so let's go get one. And we are looking for star, so it's going to be in the S's, and there it is. Okay, now we have a star on the screen. Let's wait a minute. Okay, no, there he is. It took him a minute to show up. Okay, so you have your robot and your star. So right now you can see that my screen is blank for star. If I choose robot, you can see here's our programming for robot. If I click on back to star, this is where we're going to add our programming for star. So on this one we need an event. Let's go to events, and we're going to choose when the flag is clicked. Okay, and we want the star to constantly be moving around. All the time it's going to be moving. So let's see, we're looking for under control forever. And we're going to snap that onto our other block. So what is it that we want to do forever? We want him to move around, we want him to glide every second to some random place on our screen. So here it is, glide 1 second to random position. Okay, so there it is. So right now we have our star getting ready to move, and we have a robot that we can move around. So up here at the top, let's press this flag and see if our star is going to move. There it goes. Great. Okay, meanwhile, let's see if we can move our robot around. Okay, look. Okay, so our robot can like try to chase this star. So we're getting really close on our game. Alright. So let's stop on this one for now, and we'll have like a part 2 on our game because I don't want this to go too long. So we'll stop for now. Come in our next one in in our next episode. So until then, we'll see you all later. Come on back for the next one so we can keep working on our game. So long.